Hey beauties, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Jeannie. If you're new, I am so glad that you are here. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. You know that it means everything to me. So, whoops, I just kicked my video. But you guys, I am so excited for today's video. But before I jump into that, I want to quickly talk about my giveaway that I have going on in case you are new. Giveaways are a huge part of my beauty channel here. I love to give back my passion to the people that are here supporting me doing my passion. So I have a huge giveaway going on right now. It's got a huge lot of amazing high-end products. All you have to do is be part of the beauty YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button and then leave me a comment on the giveaway video, which I will have linked in the description box below so that it's extremely easy for you to find if you want to get your entry. And then I also want to quickly mention that for the giveaways that people have already won that they have not got sent out yet. So I know there was a BoxyCharm video and 2 other giveaways. All of your products are packed up with your names on it. It is just very costly to ship. And the first couple months after the holidays are the slowest part of the year for restaurant industry workers, and I am a server at a high-end restaurant. So things can be tight, but I want you to know that the giveaway that I have going on right now is going to close 1 week from Tuesday. So the first Tuesday of February. The giveaway that I have going on right now is going to close. The winner will be picked through the random comment picker like always. And then I'm going to go that week and send out all of the giveaways that are still here at my house. And then at that point, I'll be opening up a new one. But I just want you guys to know that your stuff is safe. It is coming very soon, and I can't wait for you to get all of the goodies that you won. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the reason for today's video. I finally got the rest of my BoxyCharm drop shop order in. So I did a video earlier in the month with some things that I got, and I always normally order more than once during these sales, you guys. I am a true blue BoxyCharm fan. I love getting my boxes. I do get the base and the premium, and then I also get another base box in PR, which I am so grateful for because I am such a true fan, and I love getting to do those PR boxes. It's so much fun for me. But I also love the sales. You guys, this is how somebody that is not rich is able to build a lush collection of high-end skincare, makeup, all of that. This is how I build my insanely huge princess-like collection through things like BoxyCharm sales. So anyhow, I'm extremely excited to show you what I have today. I will tell you that a few of the things, I'll let you know which ones are which. I do have them on my face because I just got done filming using them, and I'm not sure what video will go live first, but they'll be like one after the other, and I don't know which one will go first. But if you missed the video with me getting ready with these products and this one, and it's already live, then I'll have it linked in the description box below. And then if it's gonna come second, then I'll just come back and update the description box below. So either way, if you go down there and you don't see a video talking about my makeup for the video, then that means that it just didn't go live yet, and keep your eye out for it. But without further ado, because that was 3 minutes of talking, I'm so sorry, you guys. Let's just get into the damn shit, right? This is so exciting. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrogade palette, which I did use today, and after one use has very quickly become the favorite palette in my collection right now. Why? Because it's freaking stunning, first of all. The multi-chromes on this are just to die for. The mattes are smooth. They are forgiving. They are blendable to the point where they practically blend themselves. They layer on top of one another just impeccably. The shimmers are smoothing to the eye instead of texturizing to the eye, which is a huge deal for me as I'm getting older and my lids are starting to mature. And then the other reason is because you can literally go any way with this palette. You could do a total neutral look. You could do a smoky eye look. You could do pinks and purples. You could do greens. You could do blues. You could do a mix. You can literally do anything with this palette, and the formula is top notch. This was $18 on the sale, and it was also a choice item for the premium box for the month coming up. I did pick it for my box, and I did also buy it on add-ons, and I will tell you why. There actually is a legit reason for it, because I'm in my slow months at work, and this is the thing that I have been most excited to see since I re-signed up for BoxyCharm last March. I thought to myself, that's just my luck. Something will happen with the kids. I'll have to put some money out, and I won't be able to pay for my premium box, and I won't get my palette. And it's the thing that I am literally the most excited to see, like I said, ever since I signed back up for BoxyCharm last year, almost a year ago. So I'm like, hell no. I'm getting that palette. I'm not having any regrets. I'm getting that damn palette. And if I end up with two, so be it. But I am getting that damn palette, and I do not regret the decision that I made, because at the end of the day, everything goes fine with my premium box. Then I have one for a giveaway. And it's the best 18 bucks I've spent in a long time. I'm telling you. Next, a lot of times BoxyCharm will have two for deals, and I picked up two of the Wishful Honey Balm Moisturizer. This is actually the Huda Beauty skincare line. I got one of these, I want to say, in a way previous premium box, like months and months and months ago. But it was in my unopened skincare drawer, because I have a lot of skincare. So at the time, I wasn't going to open it until I got through some of the things that I was currently using. Well, I finally got around to opening it, and I fell in love with it. I will say, and then so then when I saw that I could get two for, I believe it was like $24, but still two of them for $24 over on the Ipsy sale, they were selling one for $18. So the fact that I could get, and I almost got it, and I was so glad I held off, because then I could get two from BoxyCharm for $24. But anyhow, I will say that if you are an oily skin person, this might not be your jam, because it does leave behind a little bit of a slickness and a little bit of a film on your face. But for somebody like me who's extremely dry, it's actually really nice. And it has a fresh lavender scent that I do not mind at all. So love that product. I still have a ton left in the one that I'm using, because you literally only need the tiniest little bit for your whole face. But I will have it forever now. So not mad about it. Next, from Rhodial, I got some of the Blush Drops Liquid Blush. Now, I did get the frosted pink version of this in a recent BoxyCharm Premium, and I absolutely adore it. It is so beautiful on the skin. It's like a blush highlight duo. Very smoothing on the skin. And so I wanted to try the other color that was available, and it is what I have on my face today. And when I first saw it in the bottle, when it came in the mail, but I hadn't tried it, I was worried that it really wasn't going to look good on my skin tone, but I was actually very pleasantly surprised. I think it's beautiful. And again, it's like that blush highlight hybrid, and these retail for like 60 bucks. So I wanted to get the other color because I enjoy the frosted pink so much, and I'm really glad I did, because I equally like the new color as well. And now, and next, from Rowan Beauty, I have actually been eyeing this little palette on the sales for quite some time. It is the Rowan Beauty. It's like a little eyeshadow quad. Does it have a name? Oh, it's the 111 or the 1111 quad. The packaging, so it comes in a little velvet pouch, which I think is really nice, and it protects the shadows. And then it also comes with a little pamphlet. So these are supposed to be lid illuminators, I guess. And here is what the outside packaging looks like. Very luxe, but also those ones that get fingerprints very easily. But I love the packaging on this. And then these are the shades. So some really pretty shimmers. I'll be honest with you though, I was really looking forward to this, and now they look like they might be a little bit flaky. I kind of want to swatch and see how they swatch. And swatching does not tell the whole story, you guys, but see how, can you see like how flaky it is? But I mean, it still might be nice. Oh, so it's flaking in pieces, at least that color. So let's try a different one. So that was this color here that you can visibly see like flakes on. The other ones do not look as bad. So let's try. So that is that one, and that one does not look nearly as bad. Oh, and that one swatched way better. That one swatched beautifully. And then for shits and giggles, let's try this other one, this cool toned. So I wonder if I press, oh yeah, this one is really nice too. Look at that. Oh, these ones are going on like butter. It's just that one is super flaky like. And then this other one isn't that way either. It's just this corner one. I wonder if I press it down. Ooh, that is helping. Wow. Okay. Now, just out of curiosity, you guys, just for shits and giggles, let's try re-swatching it after it's been pressed down. So there's how it looks on the finger. It still looks a bit flaky. And it's still flaky on my arm. Well, hey, 3 out of 4 ain't bad, right? I was getting it at a discounted price, and I'm still really excited. I'm not upset that I bought it, because if anything, I can work with it, try and find a way to get that one shade to not be so flaky, maybe use it wet, or use the other 3 colors that actually swatched gorgeously. So either way, there is that. But of course, that one color in the palette is my favorite color. That champagne toned color that is flaky. Oh, that's just the genie look. Okay, moving right along. From Seraphine Botanicals, you guys, this retails for $48, and I have really come to adore this brand through trying things out of theirs through BoxyCharm. But this is their Apricot and Camellia Lip Serum. So when I received it, the packaging, the outside packaging is just darling. But when I received it, it was frozen solid. Seriously, I couldn't, it's got like a little metal roller ball, and it was just like one huge piece of ice. I live in Michigan, where we've got a lot of snow right now. But it did de-thaw, I'm happy to say, and works just fine. And that is what the packaging looks like. Feels really light, slippery, and like oily on the lips, which is not necessarily what I was expecting. And I did try it earlier after it de-thawed, and I'll be honest with you, after trying it, I'll definitely use it. There's nothing wrong with it, but the texture of it is so slippery that it feel like it slips right off your lips very quickly. Talking, eating, drinking, you know, whatever. It's not going to last that long. So maybe this might be a better one for using at night before you're getting ready to go to bed, so that it can actually soak into your lips. But either way, I'll play around with it and figure out the best way to use it. And I'm so in love with that brand all of a sudden. So, and next from Dominique Cosmetics, this is not in the package because I did use it in the look today. And it is her Soft Focus Demi Matte lipstick in the shade Sweet Nectar, and it's a very neutral shade. As you can see, I used it. I've already got stuff all over it, but that's just from using it. But the shade was a little more orangey toned than what I was hoping, but I still like it. The formula feels really, really nice. It gives you that beautiful matte finish, but without a super dry feeling on your lips. So it's like one of those creamy matte formulas, which I like. The packaging is black and sleek, which I like, and it does have that magnetized closure that I really, really love. And then next from Huda Beauty, I did get a new lip contour. Now I have quite a few of these now at this point, but the ones that I have are like in plum and red and pink, and I wanted to get a more neutral shade. So this is the shade Trendsetter, and I do have it on my lips today along with the Dominique Cosmetics lipstick. And I think it's nice. Next, I did get 2 of the Rhodial I got 2 of the Rhodial Lash Lift Mascaras. I got one of these earlier in the month on the sale and fell in love with it upon first use. It lifts, it separates, it like fans my lashes out. I do have it on today. I have literally been using it almost on a daily basis. I've actually been going back and forth between this and the Rowan Cake Mascara that I got on my Glam Bag Plus for this month. I've really been liking that one as well, but I am so in love with this one, and I think it retails for like $28 or $30, and then on the sale I was able to pick it up for like $9, I think. So these are going to go in my backup drawer. When I find something that I really, really, really like the way that it performs on me, I love to get stuff for my backup drawer, because if I'm not paying full price for it, who knows if like in a couple months from now when mine runs out, if this is still going to be on the BoxyCharm sale. So why not go ahead and get myself some backups, because I know I love the way it looks on me and I'm getting it at such a steal. So that's just the way that my mind thinks. And then last but not least, this is a repurchase. This is the Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss, which came out of a BoxyCharm Premium not too long ago. That is how I got introduced to it. Then I loved it so much I bought a backup on one of the sales, and the very first one, the one that I got in the box, is like gone pretty much. Like I need to throw it out. It's gone. I'm like scraping the sides, and I have one backup that I got in another BoxyCharm sale, but since I love it so much and it was on the sale, again, it's that thought of, you know, it might not be there next month. Maybe I should just go ahead and buy one for a couple dollars, because I'm already went through a whole one. I love it. I use it all the time. It smells just like a rose petal, like a real rose petal. There's rose petals in it. It's very, very beautiful and unique, and it feels so nice and hydrating on the lips, and I just love it. So I just went ahead and got myself another, because I already went through one of the ones that I have. So yeah, that was the second part of my BoxyCharm Drop Shop add-on, whatever the hell it is anymore, haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me. Again, I used a lot of these products in my look today, and there is a video on that, so definitely keep your eye out or check in the description box below. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So thank you so much for hanging out. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.